Dogs on the beach.
There is always carnage. And now we're heading off to the lookout, and on our way to the lookout we'll be able to look at that campsite again and see if that other guy's moved on.
Yes, fingers crossed by this afternoon.
Yes. Pulled over for some lunch. Pea and ham. No, which one was?
Beef and veg.
Beef and veg soup with a little bit of leftovers of meatloaf, known as buttering up the bread. I pulled over at what is called on Wikicamps Insane Lookout. Well, after lunch we will let you know whether it's insane. Got a wet shoe.
Just to demonstrate how much slipperier Zach's sneakers are, what happened?
I broke it.
How?
Slipped. This is why we have the hoods on and why we put UV filters on it. Because the hood stopped it and the UV filter took part of the fall.
Carnage. Show us your carnage.
Oh, okay, alright. A bit of Araldite will fix that. But that'll go on there.
He slipped right here where his bum fell.
Good spot to sit, have a rest. Didn't want to sit down that quick though. How you doing? You getting up alright? What do you reckon, Names? Is it insane?
It's insane.
It's insane?
We have 360-degree views of mountains and gums and rocks, and there's a water source over there. There's everything except city, which is what we want.
Yes. There's even a strong gust of wind. I don't know if you can hear that.
I bet they can.
Thoughts on this spot, Nones?
Pretty good.
You like it? Will it be us for the night?
I think so.
Nice and flat ground. They've set their fire up over there. However, I see this stomp. There's free firewood. Can we set the rocks up around the stump and burn that?
If you want. It has a name. They used it for cooking.
What do you mean?
This is a traditional European style fire to cook on.
Oh.
What they do is they cut it into they cut a star shape and then they light it in the centre.
I see where they've cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Light it in the centre.
Yeah. And then they put a pot on top.
Oh. Like the camp oven?
Yeah.
They'd have to put some coals in there or something, will they?
Yeah, well, they probably made coals with a big spot and then put them in and it kept burning.
Oh. Well, I might feel bad if I light that stump on fire now. They might come back to this spot and want to put their camp oven on it. Maybe I better put it over here in the mess.
I think it needs some fixing.
Is it?
You're going to fix the circle.
Okay.
We've got honey soy chicken sizzling on the fire.
Very nice. Cooking. Gonna make some food now. Hey, Nines.
Hello.
Good spot.
Good spot.
We're down off the hill. I reckon if we had have stayed up on the hill, we would have not been able to have a fire.
Yeah. Would have been too windy up there.
Yeah.
But down here it's not that bad, so.
I'm just coming around here because they couldn't even see you.
The light's better here.
Yeah.
Learning all the videography tips. If you've got any, comment down below.
It's a better fire tonight, isn't it?
Sure is. Better spot, not squelchy under the foot.
No, we had mud in the last spot.
I must admit though, I did love seeing all the Banksias.
Yeah? Well, that was on the walk in the morning.
Yes.
You had baby Banksias.
I was a bit obsessed with the plant life over there. Here we've got a lot of different gums, more stringy barks, and yeah.
The firewood's good too. I was a little bit disappointed that I noticed quite a few trees that were alive that people have chopped down.
You mean like this one?
Yeah, like that one. That one over there has been chopped down. I took an end off of it, but that's because it was dried out and ready to go. But I mean like this one here, that one there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I pointed at.
Not the big one. Yeah, I think this big one laid itself. But this one over here is definitely green. It's even trying to grow again.
Yeah. There's plenty of dead wood around.
Yeah, it's not hard to get firewood. Like there's actually a lot of good wood around. You don't even need to walk far.
No.
Like I got a good pile of firewood here. And
Look after our bush.
yeah, I think that's all we're trying to say. You don't need to chop down the live trees. There's plenty out there.
Yeah.
And if there isn't, just walk a little bit further.
Yeah.
It's all part of it.
Or bring your own.
Oh yeah, bring your own. Or even as you're driving in, throw some on the back of your ute.
Yep.
But for this spot, it's like literally right there, right next to you.
Yep.
This spot's got an abundance of firewood, but
people are still cutting down the green trees.
Yeah, I don't understand it. I don't get it. You see, the green trees got other animals and things living in it too. Just chop up the ones that have already fallen. Out on our night walk, and we've come across... Is that trees moving? That noise. An owl. Hello. You keep an eye on us? Oh, off you go. Hello, possum. Look at it looking at us. Oh, off it goes. Into the tree.